Hey guys, Ashker from Ashker. Guys, there are rumors about the Sony new smartphone in NWC 2019, but some of them has been leaked on the internet this week. The first one is the Xperia XZ4. The rumor says that it has been 21:9 aspect ratio display and also Sony will it call cinema wide display, but it's a flagship smartphone with Snapdragon 855 SoC. So it's going to be really interesting in smartphone market. Yeah, but there is going to be another mobile with same display size, but it's going to be Snapdragon 660 powered processor, mainly known as Sony Xperia XZ4 in the mid-range segment. Another interesting is the lower bezel, which means it is smaller than compared to other mobiles. The upper bezel is very big with a selfie snapper. I think this is going to be the opposite of the Mi Mix 2 compared to the bezel. Yeah, it's true. Look what Xiaomi included in Mi Mix 2. Blurry, but some of them has leaked and some of them parts cannot be understood. But there will be a dual back camera setup in this new smartphone. I appreciate Sony for this because they did not include a notch and also there have been made some difference to the notch. Xperia XZ4 may receive a huge Sony feature called 52 megapixel main sensor with an aperture of f1.6. So it's going to be the better in low light. So these are some rumors about the Sony 2 smartphone. So we want to wait for the announcement. I will have more video about this soon. Make sure to subscribe this channel and amplify using bell icon. Thanks for watching. I am Ashker from Hashvlog.